We are crushing our coolest videos into bite-sized pieces for your inspiration and entertainment. I'm Grant Thompson, and this is King of Random Rewind. What's up guys, it's Grant here. If you like this compilation and want to see another one, click the box up at the top. If you want to see a randomly selected video for your viewing pleasure, click the box on the bottom. And if you want to be a subscriber and you're not already in the club, hit the bomb and we'll see you in the next video.